If you've ever struggled with your weight, you know it can feel like an uphill battle. The frustration, the feeling of defeat when diets and exercise don't seem to work, the impact on your self-esteem, and the constant worry about your health can be overwhelming. Today, we're here with a strong revelation that might just change your approach to weight loss entirely. Did you know that your liver could be the hidden culprit that's sabotaging your weight loss efforts? Yes, that's right. Your liver plays a crucial role in not only detoxifying your body, but also in metabolizing fats. When your liver isn't functioning correctly, it can make losing weight incredibly difficult. And that's not all. A fatty liver can also lead to a host of other health issues. Stick around, because we're not only going to dive deep into the role of your liver in weight loss, but we're also going to reveal the 8 foods that are sabotaging your liver and your weight loss journey. And, as a special bonus, we're going to share a delicious liver detox smoothie recipe at the end of this video. So make sure you watch till the end. Before we jump into the foods that are damaging your liver, let's first understand how the liver aids in weight loss. The liver is one of the largest organs in your body, and it performs over 500 essential functions. These include detoxifying harmful substances, producing bile for digestion, and converting nutrients from our diet into substances the body can use. When your liver is overloaded or underperforming, it can struggle to keep up with these functions. Research from Harvard Health shows that a healthy liver is crucial for effective weight management, as it helps regulate fats and hormones that play a role in appetite and metabolism. Specifically, when fat accumulates in the liver cells, it creates inflammation and scarring, known as fibrosis. This not only hampers the liver's ability to function, but directly impacts your body's ability to process and store fats appropriately. A study from Mayo Clinic emphasizes that weight loss is key to combating NAFLD and improving liver function. Now that we understand how critical liver health is to weight management, let's explore the 8 foods that could be wreaking havoc on your liver and blocking your path to a healthier you. 1. Sugary foods and drinks. First up is everyone's favorite villain, sugar. High sugar intake can lead to fat buildup in the liver, just like alcohol. Fructose, in particular, is turned into fat that can accumulate in the liver, leading to liver disease. A Harvard study points out that sugary beverages are particularly dangerous. Reducing your intake of these sugary villains can significantly decrease liver fat deposits and improve overall liver health. And if you thought sugar was the biggest offender, just wait until you hear about our next culprit. 2. Alcohol. Alcohol is a well-known enemy of the liver. When you consume alcohol, your liver prioritizes processing it over other functions. This causes fats to accumulate and leads to alcoholic fatty liver disease. Even moderate drinking can cause significant liver damage over time. A study published in the journal Lancet found that reducing alcohol intake can rapidly improve liver health. Going from one drink to another, the next on our list might also surprise you. 3. Processed foods. Processed foods filled with trans fats, such as baked goods, snacks, and fast foods, are notorious for clogging up your liver. Trans fats increase liver fat and inflammation. The Mayo Clinic highlights that avoiding trans fats can lead to better liver health and an easier weight loss journey. And as we move along, we can't miss the classic dietary villain. 4. Saturated fats. Saturated fats, found in red meat, butter, and dairy products, can also contribute to liver fat. These fats make the liver work harder and can increase the risk of liver inflammation. Incorporating healthy fats, like those from fish, nuts, and olive oil, can benefit liver function. It's a simple switch that can yield tremendous benefits. From fats to another sneaky ingredient, let's discuss the dangers of too much sodium. 5. High sodium foods. High sodium intake can lead to water retention and affect liver function, exacerbating conditions like fatty liver. This can make the liver's job of filtering toxins much harder, slowly deteriorating its efficiency. Reading food labels and reducing your salt intake can support your liver and your overall health. It's all about those small, mindful changes. But sodium isn't the only hidden culprit in processed foods. 6. Refined carbohydrates. Refined carbs found in white bread, pasta, and pastries are quickly broken down into sugar, increasing the burden on your liver and converting to fat. This makes common everyday choices more impactful than you might think. Switching to whole grains can be a simple yet effective way to improve liver health. Think of swapping out that white bread for whole grain, or choosing brown rice over white. And now, for a kitchen staple that might be doing more harm than good. 7. Margarine and other hydrogenated oils. Hydrogenated oils found in margarine and various processed foods can significantly impact liver health. These oils are hard for the liver to process and lead to inflammation, which is counterproductive for anyone trying to lose weight. Using healthier fats, such as olive oil or avocado oil, can make a significant difference. Your liver will thank you for these healthier choices. And finally, another hidden danger might be hiding in your frying pan. 8. Repeatedly heated oils. Repeatedly heated cooking oils are another hidden danger. These oils, often used in deep frying and cooking in restaurants, become more toxic each time they are heated. The more they are reheated, the more harmful they become, adding extra strain to your liver. Avoiding foods cooked in repeatedly heated oils can help reduce liver toxin load. Making this change can not only protect your liver, but also improve your overall diet quality. Now that we've covered the culprits, let's shift our focus to the heroes, the foods that can help heal your liver and support weight loss. You might be surprised to learn that some of your favorite daily items can actually be very beneficial. Starting with something many of us love to begin our day with. 1. Coffee. Surprisingly, coffee is a friend of the liver. Studies show that coffee drinkers have a lower risk of liver disease, and it even benefits those who already have liver issues by lowering inflammation. So, that morning cup of coffee might be doing more good than you ever imagined. And while you're sipping that coffee, how about considering another soothing beverage for later in the day? 2. Green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants that can improve liver function. It's been shown to reduce overall fat content in the liver, making it not just a calming drink, but also a liver-friendly choice. Imagine relaxing with a cup of green tea, knowing you're supporting your liver health at the same time. Now, let's talk about adding some flavor to your meals with a powerful little ingredient. 3. Garlic. Garlic is not just flavorful, but also beneficial for the liver. It can help reduce liver inflammation and improve functions. Imagine how easy it is to enhance your meals while giving your liver a boost. It's a win-win. And for those with a sweet tooth, here's some good news. 4. Berries. Fruits like blueberries and cranberries are not only delicious, but also packed with polyphenols that can protect the liver from damage. Think about how delightful it is to snack on berries and know that you're doing something great for your liver. And speaking of tasty snacks, let's not forget grapes. 5. Grapes. Grapes and grapeseed extracts are known to increase antioxidant levels and reduce liver inflammation. Including a handful of grapes in your diet can be a sweet and simple way to boost your liver health. Heading over to those who love seafood, there's something particularly beneficial for you. 6. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which can reduce liver fat levels and inflammation. These heart-healthy fats are also fantastic for overall well-being, making them a smart addition to your diet. And finally, let's talk about a staple in many kitchens that's also great for your liver. 7. Olive oil. Olive oil provides healthy fats that can improve liver enzyme levels and reduce fat accumulation. A drizzle of olive oil on your salad or using it to cook your meals can be a delicious way to support liver health. And now, for the moment you've been waiting for, here's our delicious liver detox smoothie recipe. This smoothie is packed with ingredients that not only taste great, but also provide powerful benefits for your liver. This liver detox smoothie is designed to give your liver a helping hand by combining nutrient-dense fruits and vegetables, which are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and anti-inflammatory compounds. Let's break down the ingredients and see how each one contributes to liver health. Spinach. Spinach is a great source of glutathione, an antioxidant that aids liver detoxification. It also contains high levels of vitamins A, C, and K, which help reduce inflammation. Cucumber. Cucumbers are hydrating and have anti-inflammatory properties. They help flush out toxins and support liver function. Beet. Beets contain betalains, which aid in detoxification and reduce inflammation. They also help increase oxygen levels in the blood and promote liver cell regeneration. Apple. Apples are high in pectin, a type of fiber that binds toxins and helps eliminate them from the body. They also help stimulate bile production, which aids digestion and detoxification. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is high in vitamin C and antioxidants, promoting healthy liver function by stimulating enzymes that aid in detoxification. Fresh ginger. Ginger has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It helps reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the liver. Water. Staying hydrated is essential for liver health as it helps flush out toxins. Here's how you can make this liver-boosting smoothie at home. Ingredients: 1 cup of spinach, 1/2 cucumber, 1 small beet, 1 apple, juice of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger, grated, 1 cup of water, ice cubes, optional. Instructions: wash and clean all the ingredients thoroughly. Peel and chop the cucumber and beat into smaller pieces for easier blending. Core the apple and cut it into slices. Add the spinach, cucumber, beet, apple, lemon juice, grated ginger, and water to your blender. Blend all the ingredients together until smooth. If you prefer a colder smoothie, add some ice cubes before blending. Pour the smoothie into a glass and enjoy. This simple yet powerful smoothie provides your body with essential nutrients that support liver function and overall health. Drinking this regularly can help detoxify your liver, improve digestion, and promote weight loss. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. Let us know in the comments if you have any other liver-friendly tips or recipes.